This is the 3AlarmLabs platform, and I'll be showing you our simulation builder today. These are our pre-generated building structures. So we have both residential and commercial, all sorts of different types of structures here. We have colonials, boarded up homes, single family, duplex, quadplex, ranch style, almost every structure. We have row homes. And for today's simulation, we'll be doing a ranch style. And on the left, this is where you put your details for your simulation. Once you fill that out, you'll be brought to our editor. These are the sides of the building and the stages, as you can see on the top. You adjust those and use our full screen editor to build out the simulation. These are our smoke assets and our fire assets. We also have victim assets as well. On the right, you have the properties tab. This is where you edit the asset, where you can make the opacity greater or change the playback speed, duplicating layers, rotating, and deleting assets. Here's an example of another asset. We have smoke pushing out a window. So right about here, we're finishing up on the decay stage, side alpha, and we're going to be moving on to our resource editor, and this is where you will be adding the resources for your simulation. Here's the self-paced editor. This is for the self-paced scenarios for each student. We have both instructor-led and self-paced led. These are pre-scripted simulations that you can build. As you can see here, I'm adjusting the arrival times of each unit and then our after action updates. So these, we have some preset options already that will automatically detect truck, engine, squad, rescue, medic. What these do is after a command is relayed, it will set a timer off. So in a specific number of minutes, you will get an update. For example, truck 3, you might assign them as ventilation. The AI picks up ventilation, and after 3 minutes, you'll get an update as if you were getting an update from the truck. This part of the editor is where you can change the stages, the scene sides, and the start times for each stage, as well as add events or any hazards that you would like to add. For this example, I'll be doing a quick rotation on the incipient stage so the officer can get a 360 of the building. The next feature I want to show you is the radio command tool. This is used to update the command board real time using AI transcriptions and action dispatching. Engine 1 on scene. We have a single story, single family ranch. Smoke showing from the alpha side. No visible fire from the exterior. Chief 1 will establish command. Engine 1, stretch a line for fire attack to Division 1. Engine 2, go ahead, grab a water supply, and then stretch a backup line for Engine 1. You are both working on Division 1. Engine 2 will be the supervisor. Rescue 1, start a primary search on Division 1. Truck 1, you're also going to work on ventilation. You will be supervising Squad 3. Go ahead, throw a ladder to the roof and start vertical ventilation. Engine 3, stage on alpha side. Hold up for an assignment. As you can see, our command board is filling up. So is our timeline on the right, where we can see transcriptions of each event that happened. This is where you're going to see your after action reports. So if you say truck to the roof, 2 minutes later, you might get an update from the truck. As we wrap up our simulation here, we're going to be brought to our review page where we can review the command board as a whole, the timeline, the transcriptions, and the saved audio from the student.